Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the footer on Shopify. Let's get started. On your Shopify admin on the left side panel, click on Online Store. Then select on the Themes, and you'll land on the Themes page. This is where all the customization starts. So before editing, it's always a good idea to check if your theme has an update available, since newer versions may fix bugs or add new features. If an update is available, go ahead and add the updated version and make sure it's set to publish. Once your current theme is ready, click on Edit Theme. Inside the theme editor, look at the left side panel again and scroll all the way down to Footer right here. Click on Footer. This is where all the customization for the bottom part of your store happens. Your footer is made of blocks and sections. You can add or remove elements depending on how you want it to look. So click Add Block. You'll see a list of common footer elements, including the button, heading, icon, jumbo text, follow-on shop, and many more. So in the menu, it adds navigation links, the text, short descriptions, welcome notes or store info. Social media links is for Facebook, Instagram, and etc. For example, you want to choose a large logo. The logo block appears immediately in your footer. Clicking the block allows you to adjust the spacing, the size, the background, pattern, appearance settings. So if you don't like it, you can also simply delete or remove. So if you want to rearrange elements, click and drag any footer block. Move it above or below other blocks. Add new sections and rename them for organization. For another example, you add a heading block and change it to menu right here. You can then place it anywhere you want for a cleaner structure. Then click on the main footer section. In here, you can change the color scheme, add a footer heading or description, and adjust spacing and layout. There's also a custom CSS box if you want to style only the footer section with advanced design rules. This is optional. Most beginners don't even need it. Now for a final touch, go ahead and customize the colors to match your brand's identity. For example, switching the background color to black instantly gives your footer a bold, premium look. So if you change your mind, simply just switch it back. Shopify will update it instantly. So once everything looks good, hit save. And there you go. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.